As a student of English as a second language, studying the past perfect verb tense is an important step in your journey to mastering the language. Not only is it an essential aspect of English grammar, but it also allows you to express yourself more clearly and accurately in both writing and speaking. When you understand the past perfect verb tense, you will be able to effectively convey a sequence of events, and indicate that one action was completed before another action in the past. This allows for more nuanced and complex communication, and will help you to better understand and engage with native speakers. It demonstrates to others that you have a strong grasp of the language, and that you are dedicated to improving your skills. But how about you? Do you feel comfortable in using the past perfect tense? Tell us in the comments below. Also, make sure to stay until the end, as I'll be providing you with the 10 most common uses of the past perfect verb tense. Before we get started, do consider helping us. Subscribe, give a like, then hit that notification button. It really helps us a lot. The past perfect verb tense is used to describe an action that was completed before another action in the past. It is formed by using the auxiliary verb, had, plus the past participle of the main verb. The origin of the past perfect verb tense can be traced back to the late Middle English period, around the 15th century. It was first used to indicate that an action had already been completed before another action in the past. The form of the past perfect verb tense is quite simple. It is formed by using the auxiliary verb, had, plus the past participle of the main verb. For example, I had eaten breakfast before I left for work. In this sentence, eaten is the past participle of the verb eat, and had is the auxiliary verb. The function of the past perfect verb tense is to indicate that an action was completed before another action in the past. It is used to indicate a sequence of events, and to show that one action happened before another action. For example, by the time I arrived at the party, everyone had left. Here, the action of arriving at the party is in the past simple, but the action of everyone had left is in the past perfect, indicating that it happened before the arrival. In addition, the past perfect can also be used to indicate a hypothetical or unreal past situation. For example, if I had known you were coming, I would have prepared a cake. Here, the speaker did not know that the person was coming, so the action of preparing a cake did not happen. Soon we will launch a series of videos on conditionals, so make sure to stay tuned for that. Now let's have a look at further examples of frequent uses of the past perfect tense. I had finished my homework before I watched TV. They had already left by the time we arrived at the airport. I had never visited a foreign country before my trip to France. He had been working at the company for 10 years, before he was promoted. I had forgotten my keys and couldn't get into my apartment. She had completed her degree before she started her new job. They had been married for 20 years before they got divorced. I had heard about the concert, but I didn't know the details. I had read the book before I saw the movie. I had completed my training and was ready to start my new job. The past perfect verb tense is an important aspect of the English language. It is used to indicate that an action was completed before another action in the past and to show the sequence of events. It is formed by using the auxiliary verb, had, plus the past participle of the main verb. Don't be discouraged if the past perfect verb tense seems challenging at first. It takes time and practice to master any new skill, but with dedication and effort, you will be able to use it with ease and confidence. Keep working hard and remember that every step forward is progress. See you in the next one.